Good morning everyone. So I am going to teach you past tense today. So the first topic is its simple past tense. So the use of the past tense is simple past tense, completed action in the past. The rule of the tense is structure is subject plus second form of the verb. Few examples are given here. I visited Delhi. She completed her homework. They played football yesterday. So what they have done, they have used the second form of the verb. She completed, they played. Now after completing the tense, there are some practice questions given of simple past tense. The first one is fill in the blanks. He dash visit or visited Agra last year. We dash watch or watched a movie yesterday. She cooked or cooked dinner. I dash go or went to school early. They dash played cricket. Now you have to choose one of the answer from these two. Now which one is the second form, that you have to do on your own. Now the next point is change into negative. Now how to make negative sentence of simple past. Like she completed the verb. As you know that how to make negative sentence, the first one is she did not complete the verb. So while making negative, what we do, we use did in the negative and the simple form, the first form of the verb. Like she did not complete the work. Second, it's your task that you have to make this. Change into interrogative. Now he cleaned the room. Now again, while making interrogative, you have to use did here. Did he clean? Again, not the second form of the verb. The first form of the verb you have to use here. Did he clean the room? And question mark. Then this is your task. The second one is past continuous tense. The use is action going on at a particular time in the past. The structure is subject plus was verb plus first form of the verb plus ing. These are the helping verbs here. A few examples we'll see. I was studying at night. Was verb plus first form plus ing, then plus object. They were playing football. She was sleeping. Again the practice questions of past continuous tense. Fill in the blanks. He dash. Now the main verb is given with ing. Now here you have to use a newspaper. Means was verb you have to choose. They dash playing cricket. I was studying. Now the verb you have to make with ing and all. Then we were dash dance on stage. Then she dash cooking food. Again was verb. Change into negative. Now how to use negative? They were not shouting loudly. So not you have to use after the verb. They were not shouting loudly. She was writing a letter, so she was not writing a letter. Change into interrogative. Now in the form of interrogative, the helping verb will come before the subject. Like first I am telling, was he driving a car? Question mark. Don't forget to put question mark in the interrogative sentences. Then second is your task. part is past perfect tense. Use action completed before another action in the past. Structure is subject plus had plus third form of the verb. Like there it was verb, now here it is had. And the examples are: she had finished the work, the train had left before we arrived. Practice questions. They had dash complete the project. Now complete you have to write in the third form of the verb. Now I had dash see that movie before. She had dash finished dinner. We had dash reached the station. He had dash write the letter. Change into negative. Now the negative part is of the first sentence is: she had completed her homework. She had not completed her homework. Second is your task. Change into interrogative. So as we have done in the continuous tense, the same pattern we have to follow. Had he reached school? Question mark. Second is your task. The third is the D part is past perfect continuous tense. Uses continuous action before another past action. Structure is subject plus had been plus first form of the verb plus ing plus since for and plus object. Examples are given. They had been waiting for 2 hours. She had been studying since morning. And the practice questions of past perfect continuous: he had been dash work, then since morning. They had been playing for an hour. I had been dash read before dinner. She had been dash dance since 5 p.m. We had been dash wait for the bus. This you have to look it on your own. Change into negative. She had not been singing for 2 hours. Second sentence is your task. Change into interrogative. Had. Again, had he been working there for 5 hours? And the second point is yours. So I have completed here past tense, and this will revise again in the class, but it was for today. Thank you so much everyone.